In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a matter in Clio Manage. To get started, sign in to your Clio Manage account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Matters. This will take you to your full Matters list, where you can view all of the matters currently in your account. From here, find the matter you want to archive and open it. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct matter before making any updates. This is especially helpful if you manage a large number of files and want to avoid changing the wrong record. Once you're inside the matter, go to the upper right corner of the page and click Edit Matter. This opens the matter details so you can make changes to its current settings and status. Next, scroll down until you reach the Status section. This is where Clio Manage lets you control whether a matter is still active or no longer part of your open workload. To archive the matter, change the status from open to closed. In Clio Manage, closing a matter is the action that effectively archives it from your active matters view. Before saving, this is a good time to quickly review any other changes if needed. For example, you may want to confirm that the matter details are accurate and up to date. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click Save. After you save, the matter is now closed. That means it will no longer appear alongside your active open matters in the default view. If you need to access it later, you still can. You'll just need to adjust your filters so you can view closed matters. This is useful for keeping your workspace organized while still retaining access to past records whenever necessary. One important thing to keep in mind is that closing a matter helps reduce clutter in your active list, but it doesn't delete the matter. The information remains in Clio Manage for future reference, reporting, or follow-up if needed. And that's all it takes to archive a matter in Clio Manage using the current interface. Thanks for watching.